I am the reporter number 4. Problem number 1. Find S of 36. The arithmetic sequence 12, 23, 34, and 42. Our given is a of 1 is equal to 12. Our common difference is 11, and our n is 36. I use the formula S sub n is equal to n divided by 2 times 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times b. Now let's substitute the given. So S sub 36 is equal to 36 divided by 2 times 2 times 12 plus 36 minus 1 times 11. Okay, S36 is equal to 18 plus 36 divided by 2 is 18. 2 times 12 is 24 plus 36 minus 1 is 35 times 11 is 385. Our next step, bring down 18 and then add these 2. 385 plus 24 is 400. 409 times 18 is 7,362. Our final answer is S sub 36 is equal to 7,362. Let's proceed to the problem number 2. Patricia decided to lose some weight and drink vinaigrette. In the first week, she trained for 1 hour and decided to increase her training every week by 30 minutes. What is her total numbers of training hours of the day at the end of the week, at the end of the month? Our given here is base of 1 is equal to 60. So I just converted 1 hour into 60 minutes. Then B is equal to 30 and N is equal to 4. Or this is 4 because there are 4 weeks in 1 month. I use the formula S of N is equal to N divided by 2 times 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times 3. The solution is, now let's substitute the given. So S sub 4 is equal to 4 divided by 2 times 2 times 60 plus 4 minus 1 times 30. So S4 is equal to 2 because 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then 60 times 2 is 120. Then 4 minus 1 is 3 times 30 is 9. And then S sub 4 is equal to 2 times 200. 120 plus 90 is 210. And then times 2 is 420 minutes or divided by 60